Imagine having $400 million in your bank account and still traveling through the subway.
That's not possible.
At that point, you must be the most down-to-earth person on the planet.
Sounds quite interesting already.
Well, there is one guy who's exactly like this.
I think your experiment just got a mind of its own.
Welcome to our exploration of Keanu Reeves, the multimillionaire Hollywood star known not only for his acting prowess, but also for his humility and kindness. Keanu Reeves, with his striking good looks and chiseled physique, captivated audiences from the start. But behind the charm and charisma lies a story of resilience and determination. Born in Beirut, Lebanon, in 1964, and raised in Canada, Reeves faced his share of hardships growing up.
What's it like? Now that you're here, you're doing it, here's the set. What's it like?
What's it like? It's hard.
His early years were marked by family struggles and financial instability. Yet he persevered, fueled by his passion for acting. From humble beginnings, Reeves embarked on a career in the entertainment industry. His breakthrough role came in the late 1980s with Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure, which catapulted him to fame. Roles in iconic films like Speed, The Matrix, and John Wick solidified his status as a Hollywood A-lister, earning him critical acclaim and box office success. Despite his superstar status, Keanu Reeves remains remarkably down-to-earth. He's known for his humility, often shying away from the trappings of celebrity and maintaining a low-key lifestyle. Reeves prefers to focus on his work rather than the glitz and glamour of Hollywood. But make no mistake, Keanu Reeves is a multimillionaire, and his wealth is a testament to his hard work and dedication. He commands top-dollar salaries for his film roles, which he totally deserves after putting all the hard work in the training for each role and serving justice with every role he does. He has amassed a fortune through his successful acting career. Reeves' wealth affords him a life of luxury, but he's not one to flaunt his riches. He owns several lavish properties around the world, including a stunning mansion in the Hollywood Hills and a serene retreat in the English countryside. His car collection includes rare and exotic vehicles, including a rare Volvo 122, a Mercedes-Benz Glee SUV, a vintage Porsche 911 Carrera, and 3 beautiful Ferraris, reflecting his appreciation for fine craftsmanship and engineering. Reeves also has a penchant for motorcycles, often seen riding his custom-built bikes on the streets of Los Angeles. Beyond his material possessions, Keanu Reeves is known for his generosity and compassion. He's quietly donated millions of dollars to various charities and causes, including cancer research, children's hospitals, and animal welfare organizations. Reeves' acts of kindness, both public and private, have touched the lives of many and earned him admiration from fans and colleagues alike. In an industry known for its excess and ego, Keanu Reeves stands out as a beacon of humility and decency. He's a reminder that true wealth is measured not just in dollars and cents, but in compassion, integrity, and generosity. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the life and character of Keanu Reeves, the multimillionaire with humility. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more inspiring stories of success and humanity. Until next time, stay humble and keep spreading kindness wherever you go.